Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special Helix. There is nothing out on the market like this one here. So this one is stock, which is 45-degree angle. This one is a aftermarket 35-degree angle. It's a competitor's. This one here is a progressive angle Helix, which means it has multiple different angles, but it's a smooth slope all the way up from the bottom to the top, or I should say from the bottom to the top, and it will do everything this one and this one will do, but like you got two of them, like both of these would be installed kind of deal. This one here is going to be awesome, and we're going to be testing it and showing you guys what it can do in today's video. So today's video is sponsored by Stingray Mods. That is where this one here came from. And again, this one is another competitor's that I just took out of my 600. I've been playing with it in there. I've had this one in multiple machines to see what it could do, and it actually does very well. The stock one, it does very well too, but this one gives you tons of low end. This one will give you top speed basically, but not a lot of low end. This one here will give you a little bit of top speed. I've lost about 5-6 mile an hour with this one here. This one here, we're gonna find out in today's video what we gain or lose. This one here should give us our top mile an hour that this one does, but this one here should actually give us a little bit more, and this one here will give us the low RPM and it'll give us the low end grunt like this one does. So this here is a one of a kind. Nobody else has one like it. You won't get anybody else to get one. I can get you one of these, and I'm gonna start taking pre-orders. So message me on Facebook. I'll have links down below the video, or email me. I'll have a link down below there, and I can get you a pre-ordered one. We've talked about it. It's going to take about a month to get these. We do have a few in stock, but they're going to sell out pretty quick as soon as I drop this video. So I already know how it is. Going to want to get with me. I'm a dealer for Stingray Mods, and I'll be able to get you this Helix. I also want to let you know that the price for this, as of right now, as of this video, is $159, and the price is gonna go up, guys. So you're gonna want to get this as soon as you can. Now, one thing I want to talk about is when you use this here Helix, you're gonna want to use the stock spring, but we're gonna use it in the stock position. You're not gonna want to clock it, because this here is gonna give you your tension that you need. This here, I was running it with B2. I've ran it with different settings. This one here I ran with B2, which slowed it down quite a bit. And this one here, stock, I run with B2. But this one here, you're gonna wanna run it in a stock position. It's in gear. Mikey, have you ever been on a CFMOTO? No. No. Not even none of mine.
Nope. I'll have to try it out.
Launch it. Punch it. He's used to riding these things. See guys, that Helix makes it nice. Low and mid-range throttle, and then you can still keep pretty much your top mile an hour. We got 56 or 57 out of it, where stock was 60, and with my kit we was getting 55. So we actually gained with that Helix. Watch, I'm gonna tell him to put it low and then he's not gonna know what hit him. You guys thought I was an idiot. You guys thought I was an idiot. Let's see. Yeah, way up there. Hey, hold on. I don't want to hear your thoughts until, hold on. Now go do that same thing.
Oh, okay. Same thing.
He's in second heaven, man. I've known Mikey for a little over 20 years, and we're used to beating on each other's stuff. There you go. Flying. He probably didn't even know there was a low gear. I wish I had a camera up there. I wish I had a camera up there so bad. He's ripping her. See guys, you guys think I rip it and I'm never really fully in it.
Pretty good, dude. A lot of low end power.
What do you think of that?
I need to get me a cosigner.
Dude,
That's nice.
dude, CFMOTO changing the game out here.
Yeah, I like it. Ain't bad.
I was telling these guys, I said, this guy probably didn't even know there was a low gear.
No, I was too fat for that. Too much power. A lot of low end torque.
It's got a lot of low end torque, don't it?
A lot of low end power. More than I was expecting. So,
Do you ever rode a 600 at all that was like this?
No. Nope.
It feels like an 800 would, don't it?
Yeah, kind of feels like almost like my buddy's Can-Am 800.
Oh yeah, like Brandon's?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, it does. It puts the power to the ground, especially with that new Helix and that clutch kit.
Yeah, you can feel that low end. Like you said, the lower, once you get past like that immediate half throttle, it's like low range isn't really nothing much after that. But if you're in a tight corner or like in here, it's perfect.
Yeah, it powers through it. Back shifts quick and
Thing's a Cadillac.
it sure is, dude. Alright guys. So I used up a half a tank, a little over a half a tank, testing this clutch kit. And I must say I love it. I love how it gives you the low end power, and I love how it shifts out and gives you the top end speed. I feel like 57 miles an hour, 56 mile an hour is plenty fast for the road on this thing. gonna get back to his house, load up, and I want to thank you guys for watching. Keep in mind, you can get the Helix through me. We're gonna take